All right, smart money gang, smart money gang. Welcome back to the channel. You already know SMSFXMentors.com, SMSFXMentors.store. Go ahead and check it out, man. Go look live in the description for the telegrams, the free telegrams, the Discord. Just go check out everything, man, right there in the description below. Man, so I'm gonna dive right into it, man. First off, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you where to put your money, how to put your money, none of that. What I can do is mentor you guys and shorten your learning curve, guys. All right. So that's what I'm here for. Any help, any type of one-on-one, help to find out your strengths and your weaknesses, things of that nature, right? And guys, I would definitely take advantage of that right now. Um, If not, guys, don't worry about it, right? We can learn right here. We're going to learn right here. I'm going to put you up on game of everything. So today, I basically want to talk about the NFP, right? Trading the NFP. And I want to show you my psychology and my methodology on how I would have been setting up and getting ready for the NFP, right? So this is me starting the morning off, starting the day off, or starting the night before off, right? Analyzing the charts, putting in the work, right? That is what everything that it consists of, right? So you already know, man, I love y'all to death, but I got to start the timer, man, because I don't want these videos to be overlapping and boring, and then like, oh man, I can't watch this. I only need, I'm about to give you guys straight what you came here for. So that's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna share the screen, and then we're gonna pull up a pair that we've been watching for a minute, man. That's been moving beautiful for me, man. I hope it's been moving beautiful for you guys as well. And that's NU, right? NU, and then his friend, right? His cousin. AU, right? So NU I already have set up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to AU and set it up in front of you guys. And show you, again, my exact setup and my trading style and how I would have been looking at the markets, right? So let me see. Okay, so basically, right now you already see I have a key level marked up right here. It's not major or minor, but it's a 4-hour level, right? That's been respected, right? So as you can see, I kind of marked it up, and it's kind of been marked up since the last time I marked it up, right? We had a hit right here. We had a hit here, right? And then I probably can keep going into the past, but I'm not. So that's 3 hits. That's cool to me. That's a trend. And it's a respected area, right? So by that being said, I'm going to show you guys how you could have capitalized off a lot of these plays, and how I basically, like I said, set up my methodology and my psychology, how I better ready myself for this trade, right? How I took a high probability trade, right? How I had my risk to reward set up, so my entry and my exit point, and just like, my history behind it, right? And the reason why. A lot of people take trades and place trades. Either somebody told them how to do it, they got it from somewhere, they got the idea from somewhere. Guys, like I said, you can learn how to fish, right, and eat for forever, or I can give you a fish and you just eat for that day, okay? I'm just trying to, things that you guys need to catch up on and understanding, right? So one thing NFP does not do, it does not determine direction. So some people be like, oh, you said that in the last one, and guess what? It switched the direction. NFP switched the direction. Actually, it did not switch the direction. On some of these pairs, you can see price went to certain key levels, guys. Just like NU, perfect example. So if you didn't see AU at a key level, right? What you don't see AU at a key level, it can be at a 4-hour key level, right? The 74,500. You could have put that there and said, hey, boom. You know what? If price don't cross the 74,500 area, then guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna get in for a buy. You can just already put that bias in your head. You can say, hey, if price touch this area or touch this is what I'm doing, right? So once you get that bias in your head, that basically that put the icing on the cake, right? That just already, you like, okay, that's high probability. Okay, that's a confluence right there. So 74,500, I would have set that area up, okay? Because I know it's NFP. I know it's going to be volatile. I know it's about to be a lot of volatility, but that does not, that don't tell me that, okay, just because, it's a downtrend already, price is going to continue to push down because because you know, Ken said structure, and so I'm following structure. It made a lower low. Well, you know, no, remember guys, like I said, remember the areas, remember numbers, right? So these numbers that's over here on the side, remember numbers, right? And remember where you're trying to, what numbers you're trying to break, what number you know you want to break or be above when price is setting off, right? When price is going on. Okay, so like I said, at NU, we were at a key level. So the 6,900, me personally, I'm like, okay, price don't break the 69,500 level. I'm getting in for this buy because I know for a fact at such time, or at this time, the NFP about to come out and the news is going to come out. So it's about to be high expectations. So it's about to be a lot of volatility in the market. So let me set that up. So that would have been my first setup, right? Me looking at the 69,500 level. So now I can mark up my 69,500 level. I can put a blue box right here and say, okay, this is my buying area, right? This is my buying box, right? I'm looking for, this is my demand area, whatever you want to call it, guys. This is going to be my support area for the 4 hour, right? So now what you want to do is you want to go up to these top areas and you want to see where prices had problems at in the past, all that, right? So we had hit here, hit here, hit here, right? This is all the stuff I taught you guys for free. I told you guys, you got to put it all together and use it as one combination to be able to get these funds, right? It's what you're doing is overcomplicating it, right? You're overcomplicating it. You're overthinking it. You're overthinking it. You're overcomplicating it. And you're overthinking it, right? So now, like I said, so me personally, boom. Now I would have been marking these levels up. So it had problems here, boom, hit here, touch here, 1, 2, okay, 3, right? 3 probability. You know what I'm saying? That's confluences, 3 confluences, boom. I'm ready to jump in, right? So now we got probability. We got confluences. We got a lot of stuff we got going on. We working with. We got higher lows, lower highs. We understanding all of this, right? Before we even jumping into the trade. So like I said, entry, I already know what my entry points are because I know, okay, boom, at this 69,500 level, if price don't break there, that's my entry. So we got entry. Uh-oh, guys, man, there's been a lot of alerts going on, man. They're going crazy. And I got about 10 phones right here. So give me 1 second. I don't know, man. All right, sorry about that, guys. Man, there's been a lot of alerts going on around here, man. Sorry to cut it to your time about that, but yeah, man. I hope everything is fine. I hope they're fine what they're looking for, guys. But anyways, right. So I'm setting up these areas where I got a lot of price hits, price touch right here, price touch here, price touch here, price touch here. Now at this point, so now I would have marked this area up regardless, right? And then like I say, boom, this before I got the fib and all that on right now at this point, right? So right here, now we got all this, we got our X's marked off. So this first take profit, second take profit, we got this area above here, third take profit, fourth take profit, right? We'll pull this down and we say, hey, boom, fourth take profit, boom, right? So now, boom, we got our take profit areas. If we getting in here, we know we getting out around this area, the second area, third, fourth, fifth, all them areas on up, right? So we'll see what type of pattern or what type of story that the candle tells us, right? This is the same thing I already showed you guys and talked about, right? So boom, now at this buy level, we already got our exits. So that means we got entry points and exit points. Now we need to see what is going on with this candle work, what this looking like. So now basically, me personally, I would drop down into the 15-minute time frame, whatever though. If you're scalping 5-minute time frame, whatever time frame you want, 30-minute, an hour, right? Me personally, I would drop down to the 15-minute time frame, and then I would see what is going on around that area, what is taking place around those areas, right? What can I see that's showing me, okay, price could potentially push to the upside, right? What structure can I see that price is pushing to the upside? Okay, so now I drop down to this 15-minute time frame. What are we seeing, guys? We're seeing the security in the bag. We see a low right here. Boom, we see a higher low here. And boom, we see another higher low here, right? So we see another higher low, higher low, higher low, right? We also see that. So that's 1, 2, that's 3 confirmations. What else do we see? All right, we see double bottoms. Boom, that's 1 double bottom right here. It's 2 double bottoms right here. So right. So now we see double bottoms, right? So that's 2 or 3 confluences, guys. This is just me getting ready for the NFP, exact way I would do it. So as you see, we come here, price makes it last low right here. It confirms another higher low. What are you waiting on? Entry. And as you see, guys, price shot to the moon, right? So what I'm gonna say is, is this, right? Structure, pure structure. Price does not determine, the NFP does not determine which way it's going, right? It just determines volatility. So just remember, always pay attention to structure, guys. Don't, you know, everybody gonna tell you this, everybody gonna tell you that. If you're gonna listen to a real one, listen to a real one, guys. Pay attention to structure. See, price got right here to this point right here, and it's pushing down at this point. Just pay attention to structure, high probability trades, confluences, right? Risk management, right? It's very, very important. So you already know what to do, man. SMSFXMentors.com, man. If you like videos like this, man, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know you like videos like this so I can keep dropping bangers like this. Soon, I'm going to be like, man, nobody don't care about videos like this, and then I won't be dropping this type of free knowledge. So, God, take advantage of all this free knowledge right now, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend, like, share, subscribe, right? You already know what it is, man. I'm doing $100 to whatever I take it to, guys, and I'm trying to do a giveaway, guys. So you already know what to do, man, to participate. You already know. Follow all social medias, right? Click that website link, man. Go on that website link. Learn about Forex. Stroll through there. Learn about Forex. Then go ahead and look at the brokers I got. Go look at all the stuff that I got to offer for free. Go look at the patterns. Go look at the discords, right? Go check it out. Forex could be for you guys. So let's get it, man. You already know what it is, man. SMSFX. And then, yeah, I'm probably going to drop part 2, man, to the breakdown of babypips.com, because I'm going to get y'all on there for the sakes of me, man. Y'all, before y'all come to me, y'all got to be on babypips.com, man. So you already know what it is, man. Let's get it. Gang. Yo.